Well, the weather's turned. the warm weather didn't last. Brian's taking it seriously. He's out here with ski goggles on.
It's like 15 or 13 degrees and windy.
Yeah, sun went away, wind picked up, and the temperature dropped. And yeah, so much for our outdoor work. But this video is brought to you by Brunt, the brand that is transforming workwear. So while it is cold outside, I am rocking a new pair of Brunt work boots. Very stylish. This is their Marin style, and this is the soft toe. You can also get it in steel toe, and this is also the boot that comes in a women's size as well. Really high quality. They're really comfortable, actually. We'll have a coupon code for you so you can check it out, get $10 off your order, and I think you're really gonna like them. They are high quality, solid leather, nice soles, rubber sole, anti-slip. Your next upgrade on work boots, then definitely check out Brunt. We gotta go back inside, but I want to get you up to date on what Brian was able to accomplish earlier this week before the weather turned. We actually had some nice weather, so Brian was able to get a lot done on the deck. But right now, gotta go, guys. It is freezing. Below zero wind chill.
Well, there's nothing like an outside project in the wintertime, but as you can see, it is a beautiful day. Thermometer reads 48. Slight breeze. Done some sanding on the deck post, but I need to do all the main logs. Get the bark off, and then of course all the bracing, the two braces that I have on there still had bark on them. Got to get all that off, sand it, make it all look real good before I stain it. So that's the project for today, and then get to some staining. It's gonna be a combination of using a brush and the sprayer. Couple of logs have some nice big cracks that go all the way up. I want to be able to spray the wood stain right inside there, the waterproofing, so that all that exposed area gets well saturated. So supposed to be nice again tomorrow, so I should get a lot done. Hopefully get some of the panels fit, because I have to fit them or kind of support them, fit them in place with the brackets that are actually going to mount to the posts, kind of clamp them and then bring them down to weld them in place. So each one is going to be custom fit, so shouldn't hopefully take too long, but a lot to do, so let's get to it. Down there you go. All right, you can see how I'm custom bending them for the radius of the post. The little tab that sticks off beyond, I'll trim that off when and then weld it. This one, same. This was a little more wide angle on that one. This one had a nice little bend right here to get on there. I couldn't put the tabs on the other side because I got that giant crack. And the screw would have gone, the lag bolt would have gone right in the crack. So now I got a nice solid surface. This one too, had to widen the angle just a little bit. Now, very carefully take it out, take it downstairs and weld it up.
All the staining that Brian did and all the bark removal does look nice. I do like this dark stain, the lighter contrast there. It's a very wavy looking. And once those panels get installed, it's going to look really sharp. Just a few more steps, but nothing that we're doing outside today. It's an indoor day. See, the new workbench isn't just for me. Look at who's using it.
I get a little corner piece.
He gets a whole corner. So this is an old project from last fall. We'll have to put a link in the video to Brian's knife making adventure. So this is a bronze and steel dagger, and it looks like also with a mahogany handle.
Mahogany handle. Yep. We'll have some cool opal inlay.
Ooh, opal. Cool. So yeah, fun indoor projects.
Yeah.
And I have just a few paintings left I'm making, and I want to thank everyone that's placed orders. Of course, if you're seeing this video now, it's a little too late to get anything for Christmas 2022, but the next shipments are going out in January, so feel free to order something. Just know that won't be shipping anything more this year. Such a nice work area. Don't you love it?
I do. I love having a nice workspace, clean, uncluttered.
Yep. And you didn't have to go out to the freezing cold shed to use it.
Nope.
So, we're pressing pause on the deck for now because it's cold weather for a week, pretty much. That rolls right into our vacation time.
Exactly.
So
We'll get a little painting done maybe, but
yeah. You got half your panels made and fitted.
right. So once they're painted, it won't take.
Yeah.
It's 4 lag bolts per panel. So.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, wrapping that up and we're looking forward to 2023.
Yeah, we got a lot done in 2022. Got that big shed barn built.
Mm-hmm. Boom.
Boom.
Storage barn.
Storage barn.
Yeah.
Got rid of our shipping container.
Mm-hmm.
Save some money. Good money we could spend somewhere else.
What? Get rid of one payment, add another?
You know how it is.
But yeah, I think we're looking more at indoor projects for January, February, March for sure. We have one big one that has to do with that room over there.
Yeah.
So
I'd love to get the drop ceiling put in. It's looks so unfinished when you got floor joists.
Yeah. If you get the camera angle right, you don't notice, but just one little tip up, you'll see the unfinished ceiling there.
So that'll be nice to get that put up.
A few more projects we got to do before we wrap up for the year, but I can't show you because some of them are gifts, so no spoilers. But
Right.
a few more paintings, a few more.
Yep, I'm working on a gift as well. So.
Yep. But we wanted to thank you guys for all your support this year. It's definitely been fun having you along, giving comments, giving advice, hearing the excitement that you have for some of our projects.
Definitely like to have advice.
Yeah, it's super nice. And we'll have one more video for you before the end of the year next weekend. Spoiler alert, it is for the Coyote Annual Dealer Convention. So you don't want to miss that. If you like Coyote tractor, you like Coyote implements, Coyote machines, then you'll want to see that video. I'm going to launch it on Saturday instead of Sunday because Sunday's Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if we don't
Happy
see you
New Year.
before then. But it's been a fun ride, 2022, and we'll see you in 2023.
Yeah, more projects, lots to do, so
Yeah.
we'll have a good time.
All right, guys, take care.
Bye-bye. Thanks
Bye.
for watching.
Just had to bring his tools
I bring
here.
the tools here. Quiet!
Eagle, why? But we want to wish you
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.